Hi, Steve Paxton here, HARKO day trading. Been trading for over 25 years, run a private trading room, but that's not what this channel is all about. I'm hoping that I can provide some videos that will help and support people to be consistent and hopefully profitable traders. It's no fluff, no nonsense trading, nothing flash. I stream twice a week, Tuesday mornings, Northern European Open, and also the opening bell on Friday afternoons. Take a look at my channel and sign up for my live streams. We trade real money in real time every single day, but we'll stream twice a week for my subscribers on YouTube. So please subscribe, like my videos, put any comment you want in. I read all comments, so if you've got any questions, then please feel free to put the comments on a particular video and I'll do my best to help you. Cheers guys.